Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. My name is Mohtasim Hafiz and I recently took the IELTS test. I was part of the crash course batch and my instructors were Kashim sir and Tamanna ma'am. I got an overall score of 8.5, and to break down my scores, I got 9 in reading, 8.5 in both speaking and listening, and 7 in writing. Throughout my journey, I received tremendous help from HEXA'S Zindabazar. The benefits of attending this institution has been reiterated over and over again, so I think it would be redundant for me to restate them again. But if I were to mention one thing that is generally applicable for everyone, it is that HEXA'S Zindabazar puts you just in the right environment. You will be surrounded with peers who are trying to do the same thing, which is to get a good score in the IELTS test. You will be bombarded with homeworks and tasks and assignments which will force you to improve. HEXA'S Zindabazar also puts an active effort to organize all sorts of events like debates, free speech competitions, and spelling bee competitions, which promotes learning the English language. I'm really thankful to HEXA'S Zindabazar for all the support that I've received from them. Especially I'm thankful to my instructors, Kashim sir and Tamanna ma'am. They were really responsive whenever I reached out to them for any kind of help. Thank you, HEXA'S Zindabazar.